everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got the Lookfantastic Black Friday edit to unbox with you. This is what it looks like. It contains 6 beauty products. It has a value of £175 and can be yours for £40. You'll see it down below in my description, as well as all the new Christmas edits that Lookfantastic have just released, including their perfume edits as well. So you'll find them all listed down there. So you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So yeah, so let's get on to opening this up then and showing you what's inside. Starting off with a product from Rituals. This is the Ritual of Sakura. It's a renewing body scrub. It contains sugar and cherry blossoms, and there's 250 mils there. This smells beautiful. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous scent. It's a rich oil and sugar body polish. Look at that. That just smells so gorgeous. Oh, I love it. I'm in need of a good body scrub as well. I haven't removed my fake tan yet. I've been meaning to do it the last couple of days and I haven't got around to doing it. So if you can see like blotchiness anywhere, that is why. So there's that. Oh, talking about fake tan, we have got Tan Luxe. This is Super Glow. It's a hyaluronic self-tan serum and there's 30 mils here. So this is tanning drops and it's very gradual. You can use it as part of your skincare. You can actually put it in your foundation as well if you wanted to, or mix it in with your moisturiser. Or you can use them on their own. I'm not going to show you what it's like because obviously I don't want any marks on my hands. But yeah, it's a nice gradual tan with hyaluronic acid, which obviously helps hydrate and plump your skin. To create more of a deeper tan, you would use it daily and then build it up gradually that way. It's a really nice product to have, especially if you've got like a night out and you want to like have a nice glow, and then just make sure that you just blend it down into your neck and your chest, so then you haven't got like lightly tanned face and then nothing on the rest of you. It's up to you. If you want that look, that's completely up to you. But yeah, so we got Tan Luxe, Super Glow, tanning drops. Next we got Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is Brow Freeze. It's a eyebrow fixing gel or a wax. This is full size also. Ooh. But you're not going to be able to see much there. Let's open it up and show you. So you need a little spoolie brush. Bend the top of it so you can just get a nice even amount on there, and then you just rub it through your eyebrows to fix in place. I've used this on and off over the years as well. It's a nice wax. I'm just applying a little bit on my fingers just to fluff up the front there. There, can you tell the difference? I just fluffed my brows up a little bit. It's got that. Then we got something for your lashes. This is GrandeLASH-MD by Grande Cosmetics. This is a lash enhancing serum. It's a clear serum and there's a 3-month supply here. Achieve longer, thicker looking lashes in 4 to 6 weeks. 91% saw longer looking lashes, 94% saw healthier looking lashes. That's the outer package. It's a 2021 Glamour Awards winner. So there's a little information booklet in there as well. So it's a clear serum that you apply to your lashes. You apply it as if you would like a liquid eyeliner, and just one dip is enough for both eyelids, and you just leave it for a couple of minutes to dry, and then yeah, you just go about your day. So we've got a lash enhancing serum. Then we've got NZ Skin, and this is by Dr. Maram Zamani. Anti-pollution hydrating face mask, detoxifying and hydrating hydrogel face mask, and there's 25 grams there. I've used this a few times when I've received it in different beauty boxes. It's a really nice sheet mask. You apply it for 15 minutes and then you just massage the remaining essence into your skin, and then you're good to go. So you've got a sheet mask there. And then we've got one last item, and this is Sol de Janeiro. It's a Cheirosa 62 perfume mist. There's 30 mils here, and it says bask in the scent of summer with delicious notes of pistachio, salted caramel and vanilla. And I'm going to save that one for my daughter. 6 products in all. It has a value of £175 and is retailing for £40. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Do you think it's a good one this year compared to last one? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.